New at 6, an Arkansas law that takes effect August 1st will now require public schools and universities supported by the state to have an opioid rescue kit in multiple buildings all across their campuses.
5 News reporter Rachel Williams spoke with school leaders and shows us how they're preparing for the new safety measure.
Nationwide and across the state, the opioid epidemic is having an impact on our communities. New legislation, Act 811, requires public schools and universities to have an opioid rescue kit on their campuses.
Fortunately, here at the Fort Smith Public Schools, we already are probably 95% in compliance.
Fort Smith Public School Police Chief Bill Hollenbeck says defibrillators are already located in main hallways, but the district still has to evaluate where to place opioid rescue kits.
They're going to be in public locations that are easily located, as well as the fact that we will have signage on the automatic external defibrillators that there is a Narcan rescue kit there as well.
Although Fort Smith schools haven't seen overdose incidents in recent years, Chief Hollenbeck wants to ensure safety and be prepared at all times.
It's imperative that we're a step ahead. We want to make sure that in the unfortunate case that does happen, that our school resource officers or nurses or staff, we're prepared to make sure that we treat a student who may accidentally or even on purpose have some sort of a opioid overdose.
As for universities like Arkansas Fort Smith, their campus police have carried Narcan for years, but the university is ready to expand its circle of readiness.
So we're currently in the process of looking at how to secure the kits at the best price possible, making a list of where we have AEDs and where we don't, where else it would be required for us to have that available, beginning to make arrangements for training of students in what this means and how they might be able to help a peer if there's no one else available.
Under the law, all universities and public schools must have the rescue kits in place by January 1st, 2024. In Fort Smith, covering news where you live, Rachel Williams, 5 News.